Hello guys, this is Phoenix Storm's Fire EAS with an exciting unboxing. This is actually rare, I guess you could say. This is, I'm gonna say this is a rare unboxing. The reason why it's being rare is, first of all, this is a Reecom model R-1630A. These are one of the first model Reecoms ever made, and I was able to get my hands on a brand new package, never been opened, brand new. And I have the privilege. I got it off this Mercari. This came from Palm Bay, Florida. The seller was very nice. He gave me even a thank you card with it, so thank you for doing that. I did unbox it out from the box because it literally took me 30 minutes to take it out, but who cares? It's a rare radio, worth it. Worth the money it costed. Anyway, let's get on with it. What's different about this box is that one side is specifically for the power adapter. And there's a wall in here dividing the adapter and the radio. So you have to open up the other side for it. Gotta flip it over here. Open this bad boy up. Just like so. And pull it out. He did say he already pulled it out of the bubble wrap and all the original stuff, just to make sure it works and everything, which is why it came with this bag over here. You know what this is? Interesting. Anyway, here it is. A brand new R-1630A, never used. As you can see, there's many similarities to the R-1650A. Of course, it just doesn't have the extra buttons and shenanigans and blah 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 blah. And of course, the boxes does have a difference. That's the 1650, 1630A. Although this one's a little bit older because it doesn't have the A on it and, you know, serial numbers and all that. But I'm wasting time on here on this memory card. I only have like 5 minutes left of this memory card. Sorry for being so quick. But I am running short of videos, and that's typical. Let's see if I can unwind this. It doesn't. I know it doesn't look brand new because he did take it out of everything, but wait a minute. Oh, this is different. Oh, okay. So this model has a different model. So it's not the usual statement light. It's the it doesn't have the usual shenanigan stuff with the 1630. It does have the same thing as the 1650A. It's just this one has a different light. I don't know how these things did that and all that. Serial number is that. That's how you know it is an A model, A39253. And so yes, this is a 1630A. So that's pretty cool. It's pretty awesome. I will be collecting more of these. I'm gonna have to get a 1650 with the advisory statement thing, but without that jibber jabber. And I am definitely gonna have to get a Reecom 1630A, but without this stuff and all that. Anyway, let's continue on. Let's plug this bad boy in. Without further ado, plug it in over there. And of course, press all buttons before you plug it in. And yeah, alright, let's plug this bad boy in. Is that out of the way? Oh wait. Oh my gosh. I don't know if, is that on there? No, that's not. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. This radio actually has a siren high-low volume. That is so cool. I've always loved Reecom radios. I love Reecom radios, okay? They're so awesome. I'm definitely gonna have to get a Reecom R200, I think, and 400? I can't remember. Anyway, let's plug this bad boy in. Very cool. Sorry about the resolution. My camera is really terrible. But the standard January 1st, Tuesday, 2002, usual stuff. Oh, it's already on channel 7. That's pretty cool. Don't have to do that. Alright, let's go through. Let's go through the alert mode. It's already on my favorite things. Alert enable. I like voice, so do that. And then let's go through channel select. I already have it on my channel. Enter counting codes. I got like them all, so I'm going to leave it there. Defeat siren, which means you can turn other things off. Let's go ahead and take a look through that. It's just generic, so it goes through that. So exit through there. Alarm socket, siren test. Let's go ahead and do that really quick. I'm going to press select. I'm going to turn it on high. That is so cool. That is so cool how you can switch that on high and low. I'm going to keep that on high. Exit. Go to settings. This does have different because it has a settings and it has a menu. So let's go to settings. Set clock. It is right now 8:16. A little late here. I've got a minute left. Eight. Oh, maybe 2 minutes left, but I gotta hurry. Memory cards. I hate those things. Make them where you can have unlimited storage. Be nice. At 8:17, I don't know. Let's see. 8:15. Okay. Set the date. Select. It is. Let's just go through this quickly. Let's see. Let's go back, and then January. This is March. What am I doing? And then it's Wednesday in the 20s. It must be the 25th then. Alright. There we go. Set date, and this date, clock and date. Similar to the 1650. Similar alarm setup too, as well. Basically the same menu. It's just different faceplate, which is pretty cool. Oh. For some reason, it only does the last alert. So my last alert was a foot warning, so it did the warning tone. But my last alert was a weekly test, if I can get it. Yeah, today's Wednesday, so I had a weekly test. So it does do the last alert it received. So the last alert was the record weekly test. So it is going to beep because it's a record weekly test. But because this hasn't had a warning on it ever, it's brand new. It does display the warning. So that's pretty cool. Let's do a quick light test on here really quick. I'm running out of time. So what you do to do that is unplug the radio. And while holding the stop button, plug it in. And it displays tornado warning and all that. Press enter. All the lights come on. It's not green, by the way, unfortunately. And then it does this weird glitch thing, which is weird. And tornado warning should show. Oh. Okay, just random button beeps. That's cool. Test mode, that's what it is. Alright, well, Phoenix Storms Fire ES, I am out. Please click that subscribe button, like button, always comment. You guys' support always helps me collect more radios. And, well, you can click collection look and I will see you guys later.